check the volume and the sound. I wanna check the volume. Okay, everything seems to be running fine. Good morning to everyone. It's Wednesday morning. Let's check what is Bitcoin doing. Today also very important event. It's the Fed meeting and the interest rate decision. Everything is pointing to the Fed hiking even more, increasing the rates. So we have to watch out very closely the stock market, DXY, and Bitcoin. I suppose we're going to go down, but we'll see. On the weekly, if I see the weekly is strangely bullish. Yeah, strangely bullish. Let me see the monthly. The monthly is also not bad, although we have the money flow crossing in the red here. So let me see the weekly. Yes, this money flow we might get rejected again because we are in the red here, in the money flow in the red. So we might get rejected again and do another wave to the downside. Okay, daily. The daily also looks finished, like exhausted. Looking for clues whether we get rejected. Maybe we'll have some volatility during this event. It's normal to have volatility, and I'll definitely not trade before that. I would wait to see what is happening. Most probably they'll hike with 75 basis points, but they may also hike with 1% because of the higher inflation data. Now on the 4 hours, actually we see this is bullish because we are still green in the money flow and we have a wave of momentum that should come up. So really tricky for me. I don't know whether we're heading down or up, so no trade. On the 1 hour it seems that we're going down, so we have momentum starting to the downside, just a little bit of money flow, really weak money flow from Bitcoin. 45 minutes, yes, the same. 30 minutes, it seems we're starting a wave to the downside, but who knows. Yes, 15 minutes, it looks more bullish than bearish, to be honest, because we had this break of momentum, of structure, and now we might be printing this green momentum and go up and consolidate even more. So it's choppy. It's choppy. Yeah, this is what we can expect today. Choppy, and at the end of the day, volatility when the rate decision is coming. I want to see this chart. So the Ichimoku cloud on the daily and on the other time frames, it is just holding at the Tenkan-sen here at this line, 20.4. Exactly. So on the daily, yeah, this is very much, this Tenkan-sen line is very important. I think there is some downside risk when they could when they increase the rates, that we go down and basically reject from the Tenkan-sen. But we might also play a little bit to the upside, like 21 200. We'll see. Because if we get above this quote on the daily, this would be really bullish from Bitcoin. This is going to change everything if we are above this quote on the daily. On the 12 hour we are, but we have this Tenkan-sen at 19.3, so it would be interesting to see the fluctuations when we have the rate decision. We might go up, we might go down to 19.3. yes, we have to watch out. Let's see, 6 hours. 6 hours is chopping, nothing in particular. 19.8, approximately 20k is the quote. Interesting. For the 1 hour we are actually getting rejected from the quote. As you can see, we are getting rejected from 20.5, and we are continuously getting rejected here from the quote, from the Ichimoku quote. So we have this level 20.8, then another rejection at 20.6, then another rejection at 20.5. Really, Bitcoin is looking like there is no strength, but this might be a fake. If the Fed starts pivoting, then we might be going up. Okay, but yeah, for the time being, I'm not trading. I would like to see. Yeah, right now we're exactly in the middle in the 1 hour with a little bit of bearish sentiment. No trade for me. 21 minute. Can we do some small scalp? I guess we can to the long side a little bit, maybe until the Tenkan Sen, but the Tenkan Sen is will work as resistance, 20.5. So yeah, before such huge decision, I'm not doing anything. Yeah, we have to see how the stock market reacts. So far it has been going up for a few days. Maybe we get a rejection again. Yeah, maybe we get a rejection again. And I want to see the RSI and the MACD. Okay, let's see what happens here. On the 15 minute, it's quite choppy, a little bit bearish, I would say. 30 minute. Okay, where we are with the resistance is as I said at 20.4 approximately. This is the pivot line at 20.2, 20.3. So if we break this pivot on the 30 minute, next stop is at 19.5 or 19.3. Let me see. Well, that's not a bearish divergence, because here we have a lower wall, so it's nothing we can see here that we can act upon on the 30 minute. Yeah, it looks a little bit bearish, but I would say it's choppy. Okay, let's see what happens here. A little bit higher time frame, if it holds, of course. Is it going to hold? Yes, hopefully. Or no. Okay, let's go to the Google Trends. So yeah, this week seems to be bottoming here on the Bitcoin price interest in Google Trends. I'm really interested to see with this wave starting to go up, the Bitcoin interest increasing, whether we start dumping or we go up, because this might be significant for bottom or top. Top, I mean next leg down, going down for Bitcoin. So if the Bitcoin price interest in Google goes up, then we might be having another wave to the downside. But we will see. What else I can tell you? I think that's it. not really something else to note. This is choppy price action before the rate decision. I guess every trader is waiting and don't want to mess with the volatility on this event. Have a interesting Wednesday.